Hello friends, today we have to learn about 10th class 4 marks important question, that is how to find zeros of the polynomial. It is a very important question in 10th final exam, board exams. So now I am taking and first problem, that is p of x is equals to x square minus x minus 12, and how to solve this polynomial and how to get zeros. We to how many zeros we will get with x values. So now I am taking x points, that is x values, that is minus 3, minus 3 and minus 2 and minus 1 and 0 and 1, 2 and 3. So I am taking these values as a place of in place of x. So now first we take to minus 3. So p of x is equals to minus 3. So we just put in the x place, that is minus 3. So minus 3 whole square minus, and this is also minus, not square because there is no square, and minus 12. So now calculate minus 3 whole square, that is plus 9, and minus into minus plus, so 3 minus 12 as usual constant. So that is 12 minus 12, it is 0. So p of x square minus x minus 12, when we substitute x place in minus 3 we get 0. So minus 3 is 0. So next, so p of x equation, that is x square minus x minus 12. Now we have to substitute minus 2 in p of x place. So p of minus 2 is equals to minus 2 whole square minus minus 2 minus 12. So minus 2 whole square, that is 4 plus 4 minus 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 into minus plus plus 2 and minus 12. So that is 6. 4 plus 2 6 minus 12. So answer is minus 6. So it is not a zero of polynomial. So not a zero of polynomial. So it is the zero of polynomial. So now you have to take another, that is in two problems we take minus 3 and minus 2. So now that is we take minus 1. So equation p of x is equals to x square minus x minus 12. So x value is minus 1. So minus 1 whole square minus minus 1 minus 12. So minus 1 whole square, that is 1 plus 1, and minus into minus plus 1 and minus 12. So that is 2 minus 12. So that is minus 10. So therefore it is not a zero of polynomial. Zero of polynomial. Okay. And then next I'm just adjusting. So that is next problem we have to take, that is we take in this previous problem minus 1, now we have to take 0. P of x is equals to x square minus x minus 12. So p of 0, so is equals to 0 whole square minus 0 minus 12. So 0 square, 0 whole square, 0 minus 0 minus 12. So remaining is, when we substitute any problem x is equals to 0, the answer is only the remaining constant, only answer is constant, so minus 2. So therefore it is not a 0 of polynomial. Okay, clear. Now we have to do another problem. That is, in previous problem we have take p of x is equals to 0. Now p of x, the polynomial is x minus 12. Now we have to take 1, that is plus 1. So 1 whole square minus 1 minus 12. So minus 1 whole square, that is 1. Minus into plus minus, so 1 and minus 12. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, so that is 12 remaining, remaining 12. So therefore it is not a 0 of polynomial. Okay, clear. Now we have to take x is equals to 2. So we have write the polynomial p of x is equals to x square minus x minus 12. So now we take p of x is equals to 2. Okay, p of x is equals to 2. So 2 whole square minus 2 minus 12. So minus plus 2 whole square, that is 4, and minus into plus minus and 2 and minus 12. So 4 minus 14, because minus 2 minus 12, that is minus 14 and 4. So that is minus 10. So p of 2 is minus 10. So it is not a 0 of polynomial. So next we have to do the remaining only one, that is p of x is equals to x square minus x minus 12. Okay, we have now take p of x is equals to 3. So 3 whole square minus 3 minus 12. Okay, and 9 plus 3 whole square, that is 9, and my plus minus into plus minus 3 and minus 12. So it is 9 minus 15. So it is minus 6. So therefore it is not a 0 of polynomial. So now when we see these all problems, first we take an polynomial, that is p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 12. When we apply x is equals to minus 3 minus 2 and 1 minus 1 and 0 1 2 3, we get minus 3 is equals to 0. So it is only, so minus 3 is the 0. So the answer is minus 3. When you substitute in this polynomial minus 3, so answer is 0. The remaining, when you substitute minus 2, the answer is 6, and minus 1, that is 10, and minus and 0, the constant is 12, and when we substitute 1, the answer is 12, when substitute 2, the answer is minus 10, and when substitute 3, the answer is 6 minus 6. So the answer is minus 3 of this polynomial. So clear. If you not understand, please watch first two and subscribe for more videos and like and share. Okay.